Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now we are going to see stack in JS. Okay guys, now let's see. Let stack. Let's create one empty stack. In stack we have four operation: push, pop, peek. We are checking is empty or not. Okay, let's see. Stack dot push. Okay guys, let's run the output. Guys, you got the answer guys. Now let's do the pop operation guys. Guys, now let's perform the peek operation. Sorry guys, we made a mistake. Guys, everything is came guys. Finally we are going to check is empty or not guys. Okay guys, now let's run the program. Guys, you finally got the output of all the operation guys. Okay guys, bye guys, we see in the next video guys.